Hi, I'm Olivia and this is my experience with Onramp. Since I teach art, I wanted to explore animation with integrating the Everyone Can Create curriculum with a flipbook project. I started by asking students to use chalk to draw some sort of narrative or something that shows change. By using chalk, I found that students had this aha moment of having a sense of pressure-free creativity since they were using chalk and no one really was going to see it very well and it would just wash away. I knew they would have that same experience using the iPad since there was this undo button right at their fingertips. With this in mind, students were more confident in creating in different apps including Sketches and GarageBand. It didn't take long until students were working together, creating storyboards, and getting ready to make their digital flipbook. Most of our time was spent in the Sketches app, which was really great because it had a lot of features like layers that mimicked the traditional process of animation, frame by frame, or in this sense, layer by layer.
Also learned that moving each frame is very important and to have consistency.
I really enjoyed seeing students show their creativity instead of really worrying about this final product being perfect. I knew that students were going to love the iPads. And I mean like ask for them every day type of love. But I did not realize how confident the iPads would make my students because now they could overcome failure a lot quicker. They were also willing to try new things and maybe experiment more with the music or the sound effects. And they were really excited to put together these frames in Keynote. Students put each frame into a slide and then customized the transitions to create a digital flipbook. One group had the idea to make a theme song for a fictional TV show for kids called Fruit Cats.
Meow. Fruit Cats.
Another group is creating a story about a skeleton dog who is shunned by all humans and makes friends with the clouds. This was my first time using iPads in the classroom, and I think it went really well. I was really happy to have this experience with Onramp, and am thankful for them to give the collaboration my students didn't have most of the year.